Hi, this is Marty from Photoshop Art House. The AI partner models inside Photoshop are getting more powerful every week. Meet Nano Banana Pro, powered by Gemini 3.0. It's now delivering up to 4K resolution and smarter transformations than Gemini 2.5, all while still costing 10 generative credits per image. Let me show you a few quick examples of how this supercharged version can push your creativity way further. Our first example transforms a simple photo of someone into a dramatic Hollywood-style action movie poster. To create a transformation, just select the entire image by pressing Ctrl or Command A, and if you don't see the contextual taskbar, go to Window, and at the bottom, click it. Type in your prompt here. The more specific our prompt, the better results. For this one, I typed in this prompt. For your convenience, I provided all the prompts I'm using in this video. They're located in this video's description. Click whatever icon is here, which opens your list of AI models. I've done in-depth videos showing the pros and cons of each of them, except Gemini 3, so if you'd like to watch them, I provided their links in this video's description. Choose Gemini 3. Then click Generate. It generally takes between 10 to 20 seconds to process, so I'll speed it up. Bam! The advanced AI in Gemini 3 chose the title of the movie as well as the poster's tagline just from what it gleaned from the prompt. It's that good. To save time for the rest of the video, I'll just show the original photo, the prompt I used, and the finished transformation. If you have rooms that are desperately in need of redecorating and want to visualize it in styles you love, I'll type in the exact furniture I want. But before I do, I'll instruct it to keep room layout and perspective exactly the same. Replace existing furniture with mid-century modern design. Then I'll describe the furniture I want. In just seconds, the room is completely redecorated, transforming a dull, dreary space into a chic, contemporary living area. Here's another example using the same prompt. Gemini 3 can turn impossibly blurry photos like this one into a crystal clear image, sharpening each detail with stunning accuracy. All I typed was, "Sharpen photo so everything is in sharp focus." It even knew that the background was the Manhattan Bridge and reconfigured each building in the skyline perfectly. I took this photo a few years ago at Arches National Park in Utah. I want to make this into a poster, but I'd like it super sharp, so I enlarged it to 16 by 24 inches with a high resolution of 300 pixels per inch. Here's the prompt I typed in. The result is phenomenal. It looks just like WPA posters of the 1930s and 40s. With Gemini 3, a single photo can be a full storyboard in seconds, with each moment of the scene reimagined as detailed sketches or fully colored frames. We can choose anywhere from one to any number of frames we want. This is the prompt I typed in. Again, if you'd like to copy it, it's in my video's description. Gemini 3 also has the ability to convert a photo filled with foreign language signage and instantly translate each word into another language while keeping the original fonts, textures, alignment, and overall design intact. All I typed in is, translate all text to English while preserving fonts, textures, alignment, and graphic style. If you or a client wants to see how a logo looks on various merchandise, just open a PNG of it and type in a prompt similar to this. Transforming photos from day to night has always been relatively easy. However, transforming them from night to day is much more difficult, and depending on the photo, sometimes impossible until now. Even if the nighttime shot has street lights, neon signs, whatever, Gemini 3 miraculously figures out what the scene would look like in the day. All you gotta do is type in "change the scene from night to day." Those were just a few examples of how Gemini 3.0 is, and how it opens up a whole new level of creativity inside Photoshop. And we're only scratching the surface. More cinematic effects, more creative tools, and more AI magic are coming soon. Make sure you're subscribed, and remember, be safe and be kind, and I'll see you next time on Photoshop Art House.